Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Actually, I'm new to YouTube, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Like, subscribe, and I will have more videos to come. But yes, today I'm just doing a stiletto nail with some bling to it, and right now I'm just shaping my nail. I had already prepped my nail, applied my tips, so now I'm just going and shaping my tips. So yeah, like I said, I'm new to YouTube, but I do plan on uploading pretty often. Majority of my uploads will be nail tutorials, things like that. I'm really not sure if I will upload different things. I'm thinking I will, but I'm really not sure yet. But just to give y'all, a little idea of what my channel will be about, and everything like that. So right here I have my nails shaped, and I'm going in with my acrylic, and yeah, I just apply my acrylic as smoothly as I can, and try to stay off of that cuticle, because you don't want your acrylic to bleed into that cuticle, and cause lifting. So just try to stay, just try to lay your acrylic as close to the cuticle as you can, but not on the cuticle. And yeah, and I'm just applying my acrylic, as well as trying to keep my shape of my nail. That way I won't have to file as much when I go back and refile them after laying the acrylic. And I couldn't get the perfect angle, but I really was trying to get it where y'all could see it. So if you can't see what I'm doing too well, let me apologize for that. Because yeah, I really tried to get the best angle I could, hoping y'all could see what I'm doing. And if y'all would like to know what type of products I use, just comment, or if you would like me to leave things in the description box, I will. Especially for beginners, because I know you guys, could look for quality products with a good price. And that's what I go for, honestly. So yeah, if y'all want to know what I use, I'll be sure to let you know. So now I am done with laying my acrylic, and I'm just going back and reshaping them a little bit, and whatever, acrylic that's on my finger, I just, peel it, off a little bit before I file it, so I won't be, fouling my skin or anything like that. So yeah, I'm just going back in and filing a little bit. I didn't have to file too much, it's just, crisping up my shape a little bit. And I really like the stiletto shape. You guys will see me wearing long nails rather than short. I'm more of a long nail person. But yeah, I really like these stiletto shape, the coffin shape. And yeah, lately I've been wearing the coffin, but I just wanted to do stiletto for the type of design I was doing. And here I'm going in with my sanding bit. Usually I'll go in with my carbide bit before my sanding bit, but I really didn't need it, so I just went in with my sanding bit. And yeah, I'm just going around that cuticle, making sure that cuticle is good and flush and sealed, because we don't want any lifting. So yeah, just make sure you get around that cuticle really good. And yeah, just go down the nail, smooth the nail out good and evenly. But make sure that that cuticle is your focus point, because, you don't want any lifting. And I apologize for the shaking. I had my charger plugged up and didn't realize that while I was filing that I was shaking the camera as well. So yes, I apologize for that. So here I am done filing and drilling my nails, and I'm just going in with a buffer, and I'm just buffing my nails out really good. And I'm getting ready to apply my pink polish, and I will also be applying some stones as well. So here I just go in with my alcohol, and I just wipe my nails, free of dust. So, I won't have any dust or anything on my nails while I polish them. And here I'm going in applying my stones. I will be applying stones on my index finger and also my pinky, and then a few around the cuticle areas on my other fingers as well. And I'm using a dotting tool to apply my stones because I do not have a wax pencil. So yes, I was using a dotting tool, but I would not recommend it because that, oh my gosh, it was really giving me a hard time. So yes, I would prefer a wax pencil. So here I have my nails polished pink and one nail polished silver, and I'm just going back and finishing up my pinky. I have majority of the stones done, and then I also go and apply some stones to my cuticle area on the rest of my fingers as well. So here I'm curing my nails under my LED light for 60 seconds. I did apply my stones with gel polish, being that I didn't have any builder gel. So yes, and as you can see, they're, stuck. They're not going anywhere. And so now I'm just gonna go back and apply some more gel polish around the cuticle area of my nails and apply some more stones to the other fingers. And Happy New Year to you guys. I hope you all have a great New Year, and I hope you all enjoy y'all's holidays. And yes, just like my videos, subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading pretty often. I plan on it anyway. And like I said, I'm not sure what I will all, post, but majority of it will be nail tutorials, but you never know. I might, go live or, post while I'm at school if I'm not busy, or, just anything really. So just be sure to subscribe, you guys. So here I'm just finishing up on my last few stones and curing in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And as you can see, they are in place. They're not going anywhere. And now I just apply my gel top coat, and then I will cure once again in my LED lamp for another 60 seconds. So here we are with the finished product. I will go again and cleanse my nails with alcohol and dust off my nails, and also wipe the gel top coat off because it does have an sticky layer. So yeah, I just go in with my alcohol and spray my nails and wipe them down really good. And now I'm just applying my cuticle oil. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. And here we are, guys, the finished product. I hope you like them. They turned out really good, and I was really happy with them.